raw oat and chocolate slice, which is great to make for meal prep at the start of the week. So what you need for this recipe is a tablespoon of cacao powder, 1 full scoop of the Happy Way chocolate protein powder. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, 1 full cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of almonds, about 1/3 of a cup of melted coconut oil, half a cup of dried fruit of your choice, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. Now it's really easy to make. You just need to quickly blitz your almonds in a food processor and then chuck in the rest of your ingredients and blitz until it's nice and combined. And then you're going to press that mixture into a lined baking tray, pop that in the freezer to set overnight, and then slice it up and enjoy.